Hello viewers, many people wanted to know about iPadOS 26, so they requested me to install this update on my iPad 10th generation. But there are some factors which led my decision of not updating to the beta version of iPadOS 26. I have actually enrolled for beta updates in developer.beta.com. Yet I decided to stay on iPadOS 18.5, which is the stable version. I have watched many YouTube videos. In those videos there are some problems that are occurring with iPadOS 26. The first reason is that the iPad is hitting very much after this update. So if you are updating to the latest version, that is the beta version of iPadOS 26, in that case you will have lots of battery drainage, plus there will be lags while multitasking. Overall, you will not get a stable or smooth performance from this update. However, you can experience some changes in this iPadOS 26 beta version. Also, some users are complaining that there is a screen flickering issue after updating to the latest version. So I thought that I should not update to the beta version. When the stable version will come, I will make videos on the changes that have occurred. Though my iPad 10th generation is under Apple warranty, but if I update to the beta version and anything happens to my iPad, I had to travel to the service center to get it repaired at the cost of 2.5k. Plus the battery life on iPadOS 18.5 is excellent, so I thought it is a wise decision to stay on this update. And if you are planning to update to the beta version, I will not suggest you to do so, because you will have a very bad experience at the cost of getting new things on your iPad. Better you should wait for the final or stable version of iPadOS 26, when you will get everything sort out things, plus you will get regular stable software updates on those stable versions. Hope you will not update to the latest beta version of iPadOS 26. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you agree with me or not. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.